Hello YouTube, so today we're gonna be cleaning a stove. I bought this stove a few days ago, well not, probably been like a week ago or something, more than that. But we got a really good deal on it and we're gonna restore it and possibly sell it for a profit. I think I ended up paying $100 for it, which is very inexpensive for what this stove is worth. Hopefully we could possibly sell it for $1,000, which would be awesome. And here's the stove. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look around of how it is right now, and then we're gonna clean it up and hopefully sell it. All right folks, as you can see, this stove right here hasn't been cleaned in a long time. It has a lot of grease, it has a lot of buildup, it has a lot of gunk everywhere. The grease is everywhere. It's all over the stove top. It has soot everywhere, all over the burners. So let's get started in cleaning this joint. Alright, so some of the things that I used a spray-on degreaser, an all-purpose cleaner, and a aluminum shiner. Also, I used steel wool, a Brillo pad, and a scraper. So I bought the stove in a deal with a refrigerator and a few racks. It cost me about $500 for a 36-inch wide 2-door refrigerator, commercial, the 6-burner stove, and I got 3 NSF commercial racks. So it was a really good deal, but as you can see, the stove was hideous. I ended up selling the stove for $500, so I ended up getting a free refrigerator, free NSF rack, and I ended up getting a blackboard as well. So it was a pretty good deal. So you'll end up finding these deals on OfferUp. I'm a business owner, so I'm always looking for new items to add to the kitchen or things that are out there that people are selling. Most of these things, they look a little hideous, but they work perfectly fine. So you want to do your due diligence, look at them, make sure that you know what you're looking at, and you can find these deals out there. So this was a quick way to get a free refrigerator. I went in for the refrigerator and ended up buying the stove as well. The stove paid for my refrigerator, so it definitely worked out to my benefit. So be sure to be on the lookout for those deals, guys. They're out there. So the scraper is to remove the bigger bulk of the grease that's all built up. It makes it easier than trying to scrub it with the steel wool or the Brillo pad. So make sure you get in there with the scraper and scrape off all the gunk first, and then you hit it with your Brillo pad or your steel wool. It took me almost 2 days to clean out that stove. Usually here at the shop, it takes us about 20 minutes. Why? Because we're always on top of it. We here at the Cornerstone Barbecue, we maintain cleanliness. That's one of my biggest things, is making sure everything is very clean. We clean and we clean and we clean. So cleaning the stove took me about 2 days. So I did maybe like 6 hours the first day, and I think the second day I did about 7 hours. It was very greasy and grimy, so it hadn't been cleaned in a long time. So it took me a while, but I think the end result, it was worth the time that I took. Thank you guys again for watching our video. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys like this video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe if you can. This is Anthony with Cornerstone Barbecue. Till next time.